Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to remove your business address from an invoice in Xero. Don't worry if you're a complete beginner. I'm using a demo company, so you can follow along easily. 1. Log in to Xero. From the top menu, click Business. Select Invoices. In the top right corner, click the three dots. Choose Invoice Settings. Here, you'll see your branding themes. These control what appears on your invoice, including your address. 1. On the Branding Themes page, look for your active theme, usually Standard. Click Options, Edit. Here, you can edit things like logo, fonts, and layout. To remove your business address, scroll to the section called Organization Details. In the Organization Details box, you'll see fields like Address Line 1, Address Line 2, City, Region, Postal Code. Simply delete all the text in these fields. Tip: Xero does not force you to keep an address. If you leave all fields blank, the address will not appear on the invoice. 5. After clearing everything, scroll down and click Save. 1. Go back to Business, then Invoices. Open any draft invoice. Click Preview. Your invoice will now show logo, your business name, but no address because you deleted the fields. If the address still shows, you're likely using a custom branding theme or custom DOCX template. If your invoice is a customized Word template, go to Invoice Settings again. Under your branding theme, click Upload a DOCX template. Download your current template by clicking Download next to it. Open the file in Word. Look for the section with the address, usually inside a table at the top. Delete the address row or the merge fields like Address Line 1, Address Line 2, City. Save the file. Upload it back to Xero and click Save. Now preview your invoice again. The address will be gone. And that's it. You've removed your address from your Xero invoices. If you want more quick Xero tutorials, hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching.